Did you know that plastic eyes are not recommended for kids under 3 years old? Instead, I recommend to use yarn and hook to crochet them. So, first of all, let's make a magic ring. Take a look on how I'm doing this in this video. I put the hook under the first thread and pick up the second thread. Then you should make a chain. So right now we have a magic ring. Now we should make single crochets, 6 single crochets inside of this magic ring. Now we should make this circle smaller. And then we will make single crochets through all of this circle, 2 single crochets in one loop. So here is one, here is our first single crochet, and in the same loop the second single crochet. So in the end we will have 12 loops. Now when you finish 12 single crochets, make a slip stitch in the second loop, like this. Then cut the thread and take your white yarn. So you need just a small piece of this thread, and you can use your hook or your needle. Make 2 highlights on the eyes. One will be the longer and the second one will be shorter. Then make a knot. Do not cut the thread because you can hide them under the eyes when you will sewing to the head. So we finish our safety eyes that you can use for kids under the 3 years old, and you can make the second eye just in the mirror image. Bye!